Does script writing feel like an uphill battle? Are you looking at blank pages and feeling self-doubt? You're not alone. Many creators struggle to find the right words. This leads to frustration and stalled projects. Effective scripts are crucial for engaging content as they set the stage for captivating storytelling and clear communication. Without a solid script, even the best ideas fall flat. That's where TubeMagic comes in. This innovative tool is designed to help you overcome those script writing hurdles, providing you with support and resources you need to craft compelling narratives. Let's explore how TubeMagic can transform your script writing process, making it easier and much more enjoyable than ever before. Script writing can be a daunting task, often plagued by common difficulties that many creators face. One major issue is writer's block, where ideas seem to vanish just when you need them the most. A lack of structure can leave your script feeling disorganized and confused. These challenges can significantly hinder the content creation, making it tough to convey your message effectively. When scripts lack clarity and flow, the audience may lose interest real quick. As you watch this video, take a moment to reflect on your own script writing struggles, recognize these challenges, to overcoming them and creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. TubeMagic is here to revolutionize your script writing experience, offering a range of features designed to tackle common challenges. With its intuitive interface, TubeMagic simplifies the writing process by providing templates, prompts, and real-time feedback to make it easier to organize your thoughts and structure your scripts effectively. Users have reported significant improvement in their writing flow and creativity after incorporating TubeMagic into their routine. With TubeMagic, you can unlock your potential and create engaging scripts that captivate your audience effortlessly. TubeMagic is designed to foster creativity in script writing, providing tools that inspire new ideas and spark your imagination. Features like brainstorming prompts and idea generators help you break free of conventional thinking and allowing you to explore unique angles for your content. Creativity is essential for crafting engaging scripts that resonate with your audience, making your message more memorable and impactful. By utilizing TubeMagic's collaborative features, you can also share ideas with your peers, gaining fresh perspectives that can elevate your work. We encourage you to experiment with the TubeMagic's diverse features as they can unlock your creativity potential and lead to innovative scripts that truly stand out in a digital landscape. To maximize TubeMagic's potential, start by exploring its key features step by step. Begin with brainstorming tools to generate ideas. Simply input a topic and let the suggestions flow. Next, utilize the script templates to structure your content effectively. Make it a habit to set aside dedicated time each day for writing in TubeMagic, integrating it into your routine for consistent progress. Take advantage of the feedback features to refine your script, ensuring clarity and engagement. So today we've explored the common challenges of script writing, such as writer's block and lack of structure, and how TubeMagic can serve as an effective solution to these issues. By providing tools that enhance creativity and streamline the writing process, TubeMagic empowers you to craft engaging scripts with ease.